Hello, hello, hello to everyone that's out there. Happy Friday. I hope everyone is enjoying their Friday TGIF. I hope everyone's enjoying the weather. As far as where I'm at, it's pretty nice out today. I'm in New York, for those that don't know, and the weather is pretty awesome today. So, what I want to do today is, of course, open up some envelopes. I have some more mailbox money that came in, and I want to open that up for you guys. But I also want to talk about what we have going on, and I have um, a very important meeting for you guys that's going to be this Sunday, and I'm going to discuss how to speed up your results online and offline, giving you guys some easy traffic generation strategies that are extremely easy to duplicate to bring in ongoing commissions and signups. So that information is going to be in the comment section below. And you can actually register for that meeting, which will be this coming Sunday. Okay, it's going to be in the evening. Hey Renee, hey Carrie, hey Jeff, hey everyone. Thanks for joining. Hey Ed. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And you don't want to miss this meeting, because if you are having a hard time just getting results online or offline, this is going to be where you want to be this Sunday to join this meeting. It's only going to be about 30 to 45 minutes long. I won't take up much of your time, but I'm telling you, it's going to be one of those meetings where you're going to have that light bulb moment, and it's going to be extremely exciting. So please make sure that you register for that meeting. The information will be in the comment section of this video today. So we have a person that came in. Lisa, thanks so much for joining. Here's a person that came in to the program. Here's the envelope that came in. I went to the mail today. I normally don't do this on Fridays, but I felt I had a little bit of time and I felt in the mood to go. So I went ahead and went to the mailbox today. So we have Lisa, who came in at the $300 level. That's 3 books of stamps. Here go the stamps. And boom, 3 buckaroos, $300 in the mail. Hey, Brandy. Hey, Ken. Thanks so much for joining. Hey, Jessica. I hope everyone is enjoying their Friday today. We have another person that came in. Here's the envelope. I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. Oh, let's see what we have here. So for those that don't know, over the last few weeks, I want to say about four to 6 weeks, I've been, Terry, thanks so much for joining. I received your information. I've been working on traffic generation strategies, something that's easy for people to duplicate to start getting results. I like for everyone that's on my team to start getting results within their business within the first 2 to 4 weeks, because I know that the quicker you get results, you'll stay in a program longer, and it'll become more exciting and fun for people. So that's what I've been working on, and I cannot wait to share that information with you guys this Sunday. So we have Terry, who came into the program. Terry came in at the red level. Okay, the red level is a total of $50. Here's the cash that came in the mail at that level, $50. And you get 1 book of stamps. So Terry, thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay. Then we have Alicia. Alicia, who came into the program. Alicia, thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. I'm opening up another envelope here. Hey, Javen, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, sis. Aren't you at work? Hey, Big Head. Alicia came in at the red level. The red level, guys, $50, 1 book of stamps. So thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Then we have here another envelope I'm opening up here. I don't show the front. I don't want to show people's personal information. People get upset with me. Hey, Denitra. Hey, Janet. Thanks so much for joining. Denise came in at the blue level. Here's the payment form. The blue level is 2 books of stamps. Here's 2 books of stamps, guys. and that is a total of $150 at the blue level. So that's $150. Thanks so much for joining the team. Glad to have you aboard. Okay, and then we only have a couple more guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. For those that don't know, the program that I'm in currently offline is called the Six Figure Stamp Club. With the Six Figure Stamp Club, you receive cash in the mail and also stamps that allows you to send out leads, information about the program, and when people join the program, you get paid, you get the stamps, you just keep building and building and building. When you join the program, you get the reseller rights to resell the program, and they send you the leads in the mail. You're just basically sending out your flyer, your cover letter, putting a stamp on an envelope and putting that in the mail. So we have Patricia, who came in at the red level. Thanks so much for joining, Patricia. That's a total of $50. One book of stamps. Okay, Patricia, thanks so much for joining. Here's another envelope that came in. Okay. Hey, Denitra, thanks so much. Hey, Lisa, thanks for joining. We have here another person came in at the $50 level. Okay. Chi-Chi, thanks so much for joining. That's a total of $50 and one book of stamps. Okay, and then last but not least, oh, I'm sorry, I had two more envelopes. Sorry, guys. Here's another one. I must have overlooked it. I've been doing direct mail since 2016. It was my first journey offline that actually allowed me to start earning consistently. And from offline, I moved into online marketing. So I do a little bit of both, mainly online marketing, but offline marketing is where I got my start. That's where the magic started. That's where the fun started actually to happen. Because I was frustrated with online for a long time. And then I had someone call me and tell me about offline, and I said, oh, I'll give it a try. It sounds pretty interesting. So here we have Jay, who came in at the black level. Jay, thanks so much for joining. And that's a total of $300. And that's 3 books of stamps. Okay, so when you join my team, if you come in at the $300 level or higher, you will get additional leads from me, but also leads for the company. I went out and purchased more envelopes to send these leads out to my downline. You also receive a cover letter for free, and I'll go ahead and do that cover letter for you. And then we have Barek, who came in. Barek, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, came in at the blue level, which is the $150 level. And that's a total of, here's the cash, $150 and 2 books of stamps. Okay, thanks so much, Barek, for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. So what happens is once I receive your payment, you'll get a getting started video from me, and it'll tell you basically what to do next. So what information to send me for the cover letter, what to expect from the company, when to get your information in from the company. I'm just excited, a great way to end the week, and we still have Saturday. So these are the payouts that I received, and it's pretty exciting. Not only that, now I also have the stamps to send to the people that join my team. They send these to me, and now I can send flyers out to people who are interested in offline marketing. Okay, you do get the flyer from the company. Okay, all you have to do is print out that flyer. I have a LaserJet printer, so it saves a lot on ink because it's a LaserJet, and it prints faster than a regular printer. If people want to take this seriously, I'll tell you like all of the things that I do, which lowers the cost for the things that would be expensive for the average person. So like I get stamps on sale, envelopes on sale, I get flyers on sale. I ordered the laser inkjet because I used to have a regular printer and it was just expensive for ink. So now that I have the LaserJet, it's just like runs forever and ever for me, and it's extremely cost effective. I do only black and white. I do not use color copies, only black and white copies. And I do send a cover letter out with all of my flyers. So I just really point out the things that's most important when you get into offline marketing. And how many leads do I mail per month? Anywhere between 400 to 600 leads is a really good start. I tell people to come in where you feel most comfortable. That's where I feel most comfortable. And you want to mail out at least every couple of weeks. So I am trying a new lead source. And if you guys want information for that, I'll definitely give it to you. But I am going to be trying another lead source for leads. And I'll be giving that information out to all of my teammates. So anybody that decides to get in with me will get that. At the $300 level, you get additional leads from me. And at the $1,000 level, you also will receive 100 stamps from me in the mail. Okay, so those are the perks for signing up at the higher levels. I tell everybody to come in where you feel most comfortable. Don't come into this business, I'm going to try it out. Come into this as an online business opportunity, your online business opportunity where you can produce an income and you can consistently earn. If you treat it like a business, it'll pay you like a business. If you treat it like I'm going to just try it out, then it's going to pay you like I'm going to try it out. So I always tell people that when I came into this opportunity, into this space, period, I looked at it as a business, like something that was going to change my life. I wanted to have my own office, which you see, this is where I'm sitting at now in my office. I wanted to be able to come online and share my story, share my experiences, and inspire people to start working from home. I made that a dream come true for me because I did not come in here with the mind frame of, oh my gosh, let me come in at the lowest level and see how it works out. I came in as, I'm going to go all into my business. I'm going to go all in mentally. I'm going to go all in to the opportunity, and I'm going to work it and see how it goes, and I'm not going to stop. So when you come in with a certain mind frame and you treat it like a business, then it's going to perform like your business. Okay, I think a lot of people, because they've had bad experience in the past, they come in with already mindset that it's not going to work, and that eventually is what happens. Okay, so it's all about mindset. It's all about what you think about the opportunity that you're in and what you're going to do. Do you have a game plan? And that's what we're going to discuss on Sunday, is a game plan. A lot of people, they come into an opportunity and they don't have a game plan. They don't know exactly what they want to do. They just know they want to make money, and it's more than that. Really not focusing on the money, but what you need to do in order to make the money. So that's what we're going to discuss on Sunday. And then I'm going to show you these great strategies that I have that will really speed up your success no matter what online or offline business you're dealing with. This is going to guarantee 100% help you to really speed up your results and get you into the swing of things. And it's really a blueprint for success. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys on Sunday. I look forward to having as many people as possible a part of that meeting. And I want everybody to enjoy their weekend, and I'll be back with you next week. So thanks so much for tuning in, and have a great day.